Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter it. A quick disclaimer: if you will open this option for the very first time, you will have to pick between the well-being and parental controls. Of course, whichever option you will choose, you can change it later on. So after tapping on digital well-being, you will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today and which app we've used. So as you can see, I've been using it for almost 40 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. What's more, we've got the unlocks and the notifications count. And here we've got two different ways to check some further details. So you can tap directly inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us how long we've been using the device in particular days through the week and the week before, and so on and so on. Of course, it depends how long you've got your device. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And that was the first time, not the first time, the first way to check some details. And the second way is instead tapping inside of the graph is to tap directly on particular app. So for example, the settings, camera, phone, Chrome, or the others. So let me pick the settings, and as you can see, we've been transferred again to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. So you can check that I've been using the settings for 27 minutes today. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, just like it was in the previous dashboard, but here we can also change it from daily to hourly. So that's quite a cool option. So let me get back, and basically this is the whole idea of the digital well-being, and this is how to check the screen timeout in your device. But I highly recommend to take a look at these ways to disconnect. Just a quick disclaimer: if you need the time for yourself, so you need to rest, you need to work, you want to sleep, you just want to cut out the social media or something like that, you can use the bedtime mode or the focus mode to simply rest, because as you can see here in the focus mode, we can select distracting apps, so the apps from which you're receiving most notifications. So for example, the Instagram, the TikTok, or any app you are using, you can simply mark them. So let's pretend the Chrome is the most distracting app for me, and you will be able to set the schedule, so you can pick particular days, particular time, and in this set time your device will simply limit and hide the notifications from those apps. So that's really useful, and I highly recommend to check it and try to use it. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.